I got it.
Stop fucking touching me.
Come on. Get up, man.
Come on.
Wait until you see this bank, Karen. She pulls off scams like it's no big deal.
Just give me a chance to talk.
Do not resist. Do not pull away.
Sir, stop touching me.
Stop pulling away.
You didn't give me a chance to talk. No. Stop touching me.
On January 17th, 2024, police in Louisiana were called to a bank after receiving reports of a woman attempting to deposit a counterfeit check worth $50,000. When officers arrived, the situation quickly escalated from suspected fraud to a tense confrontation.
Talk to me, please. Yeah. Okay, hold on. We'll step right in there if you don't mind. You can have a seat right there, if you want. So I'm Detective Weekly with the Cowboy Sheriff's Office. I'm a financial crimes detective. I have a case where your name has come up. It's case number 24-3117. It's a bank fraud case.
Yeah, that's what I'm coming up here for.
You're coming up here for some bank fraud stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So before I ask you any questions, I have a form that I'd like you to sign. Miranda rights form. So I just need to fill out some information on it, and then we'll get right into it. So we're at 2255 East McNeese Street, Southwest Louisiana Credit Union. Also present is Miss Linda Sterling and Christina Davis. Y'all are bank employees.
I'm the chief lending officer.
Chief lending officer.
Risk officer.
Chief risk officer.
That's what I'm here to clear up. I didn't come and deposit anything. I'm just now finding out about what's happening and what's going on with my account.
Is that somebody with you right there?
Yeah, that's my mother.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's my mother. She had brought me here because I'm trying to figure out what's going on with my account as well. But yeah, I just left the one that saw it.
You went to get a debit card as well.
Yeah, I went to go get my debit card, but yeah, I was in my account and I'm looking or whatever, and
Ma'am, you can step outside. Please step outside.
Mama, just step out. I'm trying to figure out the same thing.
If you interfere in my investigation, I will place you under arrest. Please step outside. She's an adult. She's an adult.
Okay, but you don't have to disrespect my mama neither.
You can step outside, ma'am.
And you don't have to. And I'm going to tell you, you don't have to disrespect my mom neither.
I'm not going to ask you again.
At the same time, like that's what I'm here for. Just, Mom, close the door, please. Close the door.
Fain insisted she never deposited the check and came only to resolve an issue with her account, even trying to blame her own mother.
My mother.
Can you please lower your voice?
I don't have to lower anything.
Okay.
Anyways, ma'am, like I was saying, so that I was looking in my account because I had did a flash loan or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and they called me earlier, and so I was like, well, my debit card got lost. So I was like, I need another debit card. So I told them that I would be coming up there to get another one. So that's what I went to do. And then that's when she told me that I needed to speak with someone from the risk department. So then I came here. Okay. So that's what I'm saying. If I wanted to do anything fraud, why would I walk in here myself? That's pointless. But that's what I was here to clear up. I'm trying to figure out which risk or whatever is going on and what happened. Something about a $50,000 check was deposited into my account that I did not deposit. I didn't sign off on anything, no nothing. That's what I'm here for.
You remember me calling you and talking?
I remember a lady calling me, but that's what I'm saying. And I have a settlement or whatever that's going on right now. That's what I thought it was. Until I check, I'm like, this is not what I'm waiting for. Yes, this is not what I'm waiting for.
You said you had
It's my cousin had deposited a check into my account. That's what I'm saying. It was not me.
All right, Miss Spain, I have this form. Can you make sure
I'm not signing nothing until I see everything that you have?
She's a classic Karen, thinking everyone's dumb, yet she ends up proving her own guilt, because talking incessantly is basically the same as saying nothing at all.
Go ahead and stand up. Go ahead and stand up for me, please.
Stand up for what? I just want to see what's going on first. I don't want to be arrested for something that I don't even know anything about. That's why I'm here.
Look, I tried to get a statement from you.
I'm giving you a statement, I want to know.
No, you just told me you're not signing anything, so I can't ask you any questions.
What you have first?
No, ma'am. You can go ahead and stand up.
I don't want to be arrested for something that I
It's
did
too
not
late. The
do.
decision's already been made. Go ahead and stand up.
What am I being arrested for,
Please stand
though?
up. Miss Fain, please stand up.
Can y'all please, like, tell
I'm
me
not
what's
going to ask you
going
again.
on?
Please stand up, Miss Fain.
I
No,
was silent.
It's too late now.
How is it too late? You
Now
didn't
it's
give
cool.
me a chance to
Do not
talk.
resist. Do not pull
Sir,
away.
stop touching me.
Stop pulling
You
away.
didn't give me a chance to talk. No.
You're
Stop
about-
touching me.
Miss Fain,
Stop touching me.
you better.
Stop Sir, I'm telling you, stop touching me. Do not touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
450, 33.
Where's my mom? Don't touch me. Don't touch
Give
me.
me your hand, Miss
No.
Colbiante. Give me your
Sir,
hand.
do not
You are
touch
under
me.
arrest.
Arrest for what? I didn't
Bank
do
fraud.
anything.
Give me your hand.
I did not do
Miss Fain.
anything.
Miss Fain.
I didn't, sir. I
You are
didn't
under
do
arrest.
anything.
Miss Fain, you are under arrest.
Please, where's my mom? Can you get my
Miss
mom?
Fain, you are under arrest.
Can you get my mom? Stop
No.
touching me.
Miss Fain, you are under
I'm telling you
arrest.
right now to stop touching me, sir.
Miss Fain, you are under
Stop
arrest.
touching me.
Miss Fain, you are under
Stop
arrest.
touching me.
Miss Fain,
Stop touching me.
you are already under arrest for attempted
not
bank
under
fraud
arrest. I
and
didn't
battery
do-
of a police officer.
I didn't do anything.
Please don't make this any worse for
Krista.
yourself.
Krista,
Miss
I'm
Fain.
going to jail for something that I did not do. Bro,
Fain,
stop touching
give me your
me.
hand, Miss Fain.
Stop touching me.
Miss Fain, you need to stand up and
Krista.
put your hands behind your back
Krista.
now.
Bro, I'm at the bank trying to get another
For now,
debit card.
she's resisting.
And they came in here, a fucking sheriff or something came up in here talking about I'm under arrest for bank fraud. I didn't even do anything.
Stand up, Miss Fain.
Don't,
You're under
sir,
arrest.
I'm telling you, don't touch me.
Miss Fain, you are
Don't,
under
no,
arrest.
I'm not. Don't touch me.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. Don't touch me.
Miss Fain, you
Don't
are under
touch
arrest.
me. Krista, please
Miss
help
Fain,
me.
you're under arrest. You can figure all this stuff out later, but you're
Krista.
already under arrest for battery of a police officer and resisting arrest, force, or
Krista.
violence. You're under arrest for attempted bank fraud, so go ahead
I
and
didn't
please
do
stand
no
up.
attempted bank fraud. I didn't do anything.
I have the probable cause, Miss Fain.
What
Go ahead and
probable
stand up
cause?
for me.
You didn't show me any evidence.
Stand up for me, Miss
Krista.
Fain.
The woman can't seem to understand even the simplest commands, and her defiance quickly turns the situation into chaos. For the officers, dealing with someone this stubborn is like trying to catch a whale on land.
Please.
Miss Fain, stand up.
She outside.
Stand up.
It's 337-426. Stop touching me!
You are under arrest.
Stop touching me!
Stop it. Come on, baby. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Call my mama.
Okay, I'm gonna get your mama, but you stop.
Give me your hand.
I'm gonna get your mama. So you just
You got cuffs?
I didn't do anything.
okay. Well, we gonna
Please.
figure this
That's
out.
what I was trying to say.
Okay, well then we gonna do that, but you're gonna have to calm down.
I'm trying, but I'm
Check.
scared. I
Okay.
didn't do anything.
But it's gonna be hey.
I'm trying, but I didn't do anything.
Okay. Okay.
It's stuck on it. There we go.
I didn't. That's why I'm here. I didn't do anything.
Is
the other side
unlocked? They should both be unlocked.
Please.
Hold on. We got it.
My mom, please.
I'm gonna get your mom, but you're gonna have to calm down.
I'm calm, but I didn't do anything. That's what I tried to tell him.
Okay, but you're resisting and you're
I
fighting.
understand, but I didn't come in here. I didn't do
Miss Fain,
anything.
go ahead. Stand up for me.
Stop getting off of me.
Miss Fain,
I don't
please go
want
ahead and
him
stand up.
touching me. Sir, can you please get me up? I don't want him touching me.
okay, look.
Stop touching me.
I got it.
Stop fucking touching me.
Come on. Get
You're
up,
gonna
man.
have to come on.
Come on.
Linda,
Look.
let me get her a taste of records.
The officers truly showed remarkable patience dealing with her. Luckily, they finally managed to restrain her and get her into the patrol car.
What's going on, man?
I know, but listen, breathe for right now.
Sir, can you please?
She's under arrest for attempted bank fraud, battery of a PO, resisted force or violence.
Okay.
You can call the jail to find out what her bond is.
Covert off.
She resist.
Me?
Resisting.
So did you hit my child, though, sir?
No, but she hit me.
Okay.
It's all on body camera. You can get a copy of the video from the sheriff's office.
I'm not trying to. I'm just trying to confuse you. You was
Please don't approach.
Tell him to get away from me, like seriously.
Kobe, I say just calm down and just go
I
ahead.
didn't do nothing. That's all I tried to tell him.
All right, well, just go ahead. Just go ahead. Just go ahead. We're going to figure it out. Just go ahead.
Just don't create any more trouble for yourself.
In the end, Fain was arrested and charged with bank fraud, resisting arrest with violence, and battery on a police officer. While the police were completing the report on this incident, another